Kani ka jingalang kablalum do Menteri Rangba ka jela Meghalaya u Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Lawan baniran bentalang do sembut Menteri Rangba ka jela ba Preston Tensong u bakmi ekatnat PWD roads but buildings ki he officer Sorkar ki deputy commissioner but kiwe. Habai keren beginong pathai kubor hadin balawai ka jingalang u Menteri Rangba u loong bakile tai sani halor ki Surok ki bala pentrai dak NHIDCL ki bekentup ki Surok nongston wa kaji kershai Surok Ranikor Mahesh Khola Ronggara, Surok Nasilong Dauki, bat Surok Western Bypass. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bagi Sorkar jela kala Bthah ke NHIDCL bat iki kontraktor bagin penyak cekmat no iki kam gijam, bat ban pendap iki projek ha kepor ke balabu. Uloong ru bagi Sorkar kalamat iki jing na gebenta ban penyak cekmat iki projek, namar gijing bamyo ya kejakan giriu shimet. Bat kidon ki khap habala miru ka jing bo dor ya ka jaka ka jing slam man yo ka jing bed ne ka forest clearance bat kiwi bat ka Sorkar ka shim khya ban pen bed kini jing e ulong bakile kran ru ka bayde ba jing thumu ban Shna ka flyover bat ka ne ka kam andang ya kran bat ka Sorkar pedang ha ka ba kandon ka jing pen kala hakikat to ka ne ki benta.
So we had a detailed review of all the projects that is being implemented by NHIDCL, and in the meeting we had officials from all the departments concerned, all the deputy commissioners, and most importantly we had all the contractors also who had come. So we've gone through all the projects and we've asked each contractor to give a deadline on the different works. We have asked them about the problems that they're facing, and based on that we have asked the officials to resolve those issues, and now we'll be continuously monitoring this because this is a working season, so we would not want to lose this time, and therefore as I said, all the important projects that are being implemented by NHIDCL, we have gone through each one of them. It was a very long, almost a 3-hour meeting we had, but very productive and very good meeting we had, and I'm hopeful that it will have a positive impact on all the projects that are being implemented in the state right now. So we had the Nongstoin Wakaji Krishai road, we reviewed that road. We reviewed the Ranikor Mohishkula Rongara road. Then we also reviewed the Nongstoin Nongstoin roads, and then we also discussed about the Shillong Dauki road. That was also part of it, and then the Western Bypass. These were the prominent projects that we discussed today.
Portion where the petrol pump is existed.
So this project also was discussed, and this is part of the package 1 of the project. We are proposing some changes in that so that we can make it into an elevated road, because earlier it was just simply not a proper flyover, as you would say. So we are taking up the matter with Govt of India and figuring out how we can add the pillars and extend this whole thing so that it reaches the petrol pump junction, and then of course we are also looking at the possibility of extending that further, but it's not in this phase because that will create a lot of confusion and complication at this point in time. So yes, that project is very much part of it. And we, as I said, earlier the proposal was not to have that elevated road, but now we are proposing to include that. NHIDCL officials from this who are handling the projects here are also in favor of that, and obviously state government is in favor, and we are going to take up the matter with Delhi to allow that particular extension and the elevated roads to come up within this package itself.
Kawai pat kaliang Menteri Rangba uli tu bula lumru ika jingalang bat kihe officer jangkat nat telecom bat power grid bat gila shemekarai ban pen poino ik optical fiber haman lagi blok jang kejela ban pen klanya ke jing syakri link bak internet. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong balak mi lenti bagi kam kijam gen sedang no hau benail ber ke senam arhajar arpusau. Bat lakmi lenti ban pendap ikene kam hau benai jeliau nenai tung jang ke senam arhajar arpusan. Bat lakmi lenti babaro ki blok ki subdivision bat ki district ki niok ban penyesok lengbau optical fiber. Ulong bagi jaka pulia ki hospital neki nuk ki kenhuan gila amanshim connection on dalapoi neyat u optical fiber hakathan jongki.
And we have in principle decided on going ahead with the last mile connectivity in the state in terms of laying optical fibers, and we had a detailed discussion with the telecom wing of the power grid, where we are moving forward now to lay optical lines all the way to all the blocks. So the roadmap has been laid, and in a phase-wise manner, this project will start. We expect the work to commence sometime in the month of March next year, and we expect that within about 12 to 15 months' time, that means by 2025, sometime around June, July, we do expect that all the blocks in the state, all the subdivisions, and obviously all the districts, all of them will be connected by optical fiber. And not only that, wherever from that point, if any of the institutions, organizations, hospitals require the connectivity, we will then be able to further give the connectivity to all the different locations. So this is again a very, very important project, keeping in mind the large-scale e-governance projects that we're doing, and to improve the overall e-governance from a public-centric point of view. So this is a very important project, and as I said that the work for this will start within a 3-4 months time. The paperworks are going on, but the in principle decision today was taken to go ahead with this project.